Now if someone sends you a AutoCAD file and you cannot see the dimension units, then that would mean that the dimension units are really small. For example, my friend has sent me this file and I cannot see the dimension units, but if I zoom in, then I am able to see the dimension units. That would mean the dimension units are really small. Now to change that, we're going to make the dimension units bigger. To do that, I'll just write D and then hit on enter, and then we'll go to modify, and we are going to go to symbols and arrows, and I'm going to increase the arrow size. I'm making it 10, and then text, go to text and increase the text height. I'm also making it 10, and then click on OK and close it. And as you can see that I can now see the arrows as well as the dimension units. Now the problem is I don't know in which unit they are in, so I will be making them into feet. To do that, I'll write DWG units, hit on enter. Now this will pop up. Go to your command line here. As you can see from before, that 2 was feet, so I'll just hit 2 here and then hit enter. So it will convert in feet. Now it's asking the display units. I will keep it in decimals, so I'm giving 2, then 1 for scientific, 2 for decimal. It's the linear display format, so let's give it 2 again. Now it's asking you scale objects from other drawings. Let's click on yes. Match unit, match in distance to degree. Click on yes, again yes, again yes, and done. Now if you go there, as you can see, now the units are, the dimension lines units are in feet. So from here to here is 8.9 feet. So that's how you can change the units of an existing AutoCAD file as well as the dimensions. Thank you very much.